In our childhood, we often believed many things that seemed true but weren't. For instance, we thought Africa was a country, Iceland was entirely frozen, or Sydney was Australia's capital. Growing up, we realized these ideas were nothing but imaginative misconceptions. When we hear the name Africa, many of us visualize it as one large country. But did you know Africa is actually a continent? It consists of 54 countries, including Senegal, Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, and many more. With a population of about 1.2 billion and nearly 2,000 languages spoken, Africa's diversity and rich history are truly awe-inspiring. Now, think about deserts. Do they always mean hot, sandy landscapes? We usually associate deserts with scorching heat, but in reality, a desert is defined by minimal rainfall. By that definition, Antarctica is also a desert. It's a cold desert, resembling a white, icy palace. Have you always believed that the Nile is the longest river in the world? While it's widely known, recent studies suggest that the Amazon River might actually be the longest. So, even the facts we rely on can evolve with new discoveries. The name Iceland makes us imagine a land covered in ice, but surprisingly, it enjoys a relatively mild climate due to the Gulf Stream. You can even experience 4 seasons in one day here. How fascinating is that? Speaking of mountains, did you think Matterhorn is Europe's tallest peak? While it's iconic in Switzerland, the highest mountain in Europe is Mount Elbrus, towering at 18,510 feet. Is Sydney the capital of Australia? Many believe so, but it's actually Canberra. While Sydney and Melbourne are major cities, Canberra serves as the nation's capital and ranks as its 8th largest city. There's also confusion regarding Switzerland's capital. Although Geneva and Zurich are prominent cities, the actual capital is Bern, serving as the country's federal city. Lastly, South Africa's capital. It doesn't have just one. South Africa has 3 capitals: Cape Town, which is legislative, Pretoria, which is administrative, and Bloemfontein, which is judicial. A unique and intriguing fact, isn't it? Another misconception. Is England the same as the United Kingdom? Absolutely not. England is just one part of the UK, which comprises 4 countries: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. These insights encourage us to see the world differently. The Earth is incredibly diverse, with countless hidden wonders. If you enjoyed learning these fascinating truths, don't forget to leave a like. Your support inspires us to create even more informative content.